On March 16th and 17th, Remitano participated in the Blockchain Conference Africa event. The conference, held in Johannesburg, South Africa, brought together some of the leading voices in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. The event featured panel discussions, keynote speeches, and networking opportunities for attendees to connect and share insights. Remitano, a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange and trading platform, was one of the exhibitors at the event. The Remitano booth attracted a lot of attention from conference attendees who were interested in learning more about the platform's features and benefits. Overall, the Blockchain Conference Africa event was a great success, and Remitano was proud to be a part of it. As a company committed to promoting the adoption of cryptocurrency in Africa, Remitano's participation in this event was a testament to our commitment to the African market. We look forward to continuing to support the growth of the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry in Africa and around the world.